Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Dania and today's topic focuses on the differences between accept and accept. So I will be showing you how to use accept and accept in sentences using examples with detailed explanations to help you understand the differences quite well. So let's start. Let's have a look at the definition. If we start with accept, what is actually accept? Accept means not including something. So when you don't want to include something, you can use accept. For example, I eat everything except spaghetti, for example, even though I love spaghetti, but just an example. Alright? But when it comes to accept, accept means to receive, believe, or willing to do something. This is like accept. Like you accept the offer, accept the invitation, stuff like that. So for now, what we need to do, we need to look at some examples with their explanations to help you understand the differences between accept and accept quite well. Let's have a look at them. Example number 1. Everyone is invited to the party except Jane. So here we have accept. What does that mean? We are basically speaking about an invitation to the party. But is everyone invited? No. Why? Jane is not invited, and that is why we are using except. Except Jane, that means Jane is not invited. Like everyone is invited but not Jane. Alright? So this is how you can use except in sentences. Let's have a look at another example. She eats all kinds of food except seafood. What does that mean? That means she doesn't have any problems eating all kinds of food but not seafood. And that is why seafood is the only food that she doesn't eat. And because of that, we are using except. Except seafood. Let's have a look at another example. I would join you for a dinner, except I have a meeting. So this is basically a formal apology for saying no. So instead of giving direct no, you can simply say I would join you for dinner except. You can use except in your apology, alright? Because the meaning of the sentence shows that you really want to join, but it is not possible. Why? Because of the meeting. Except I have a meeting. He would have finished the project, except he ran out of time. So, was he able to finish the project? Well, basically no. Why? Because of the time. He did not have enough time to finish the project, and that is why we are using except. Except he ran out of time. I believe this will be the last example before moving into the next part of today's video. So here in this example we have I would travel more, except I don't have enough money. Meaning that I really wish if I could travel more. It's like maybe this is something that I would love to do, but because of maybe some financial restrictions, like I don't have enough money, and that is why I am not able to travel more. And that is why we are using except. Except I don't have enough money. Alright, so for now, let's move into the second part of today's video, which is accept. How to use accept in sentences. Before moving into the second part, I would like to ask if you have any questions regarding what I have just explained. If yes, please let me know in the comments so I will answer your questions immediately. Otherwise, I will create another video to focus more on the use of except. Alright, so let's move into the second part of today's video, which is accept. how to use accept in sentences. Let's have a look at these examples. She accepted the gift with a smile. She received the gift. So accept means received, accepted. Another example, he accepted the job offer after careful consideration. He accepted, that means he said yes to the job offer, but not immediately, not instantly. He didn't say yes like on the spot. Why? Because maybe he took his time to think about the job, and that is why we have careful consideration. Careful consideration meaning that you take your time to think about the job offer. Maybe you take 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks to think about the job, to see if it is suitable for you, if the salary is good enough, if the environment is suitable for you, things like that. So when we say careful consideration, that means you need to think really carefully before saying yes. Alright, let's have a look at another example. The committee accepted his proposal. The committee accepted, that means the committee agreed on the proposal. Committee means a group of people who are responsible for accepting proposals to the company, maybe at the university, maybe at work, things like that. So committee is usually related to a group of people whose job is to check the proposals and to see if these proposals are suitable or not. Alright, so in this case, when we say the committee accepted, that means they said yes. She accepted the fact that she made a mistake. She accepted, meaning that she made a mistake and she acknowledged. She admitted that. She said, yes, I made a mistake and I am so sorry for making such a mistake. So in this case, accepted the fact that she made a mistake. And this will be the final example of this video. He accepted that the decision was final. He accepted, meaning that he acknowledged the fact that this was the final decision to be made. Alright, so yeah, this is how you can actually use accept and accept. So basically, accept when you receive or approve, maybe when you acknowledge something, but accept when something is not included. So yeah, this is all about today's video. If you have any questions regarding what I have just explained, so I will respond immediately to your questions. Otherwise, I will create another video to answer your questions with more examples and explanations. And if you find this video useful, please give it some like, comments, and even share it among your friends and classmates. So that will basically help me in a way to grow and for the channel to grow. And this can be like a support. Alright, so yeah, so basically thank you so much for being here, for joining this English grammar video. I will be looking forward to having you on the upcoming video, so be sure to join the next one, and I wish you a wonderful day and take care. Bye bye.